Thank you for calling tech support. Please wait for the.
Thanks for calling support. How can I help you?
Yes, this is David. I was watching a movie and this pop up appeared with your number on it.
Okay, and what does that pop-up says to you?
Well, I can give you the error code because it make it a little bit easier. It's 0x00
Uh-huh.
72EE7.
Okay, let me verify the code for you. Okay, sir?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. And in the meantime, sir, can you confirm me your name and your number from which you're calling?
Yes, my name is David.
Uh-huh.
905-6244-680.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for confirming me your name and your number.
You're
And,
welcome.
sir, my technician just verified the code you gave to us, and through that code, sir, it seems like you're on your computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop, there is a security breach on your computer. It means your computer is currently infected with the virus and the infections, and this code has been generated by the Microsoft server.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So right now, sir, there is a security breach. It seems like some unauthorized access is trying to gain access of your personal information through the computer through the IP address.
I hope not, because I do online banking and online shopping.
Yes, sir. In that case, sir, we need to diagnose your computer first of all, because we have to make sure that whether it is under the impact of some unauthorized access or not. Then only we can let you know that exactly what happened.
Oh, okay. Okay. How do we do that?
So, sir, I will guide you a simple set of instructions. Okay?
Okay.
You just need to follow that steps very carefully, and then we will diagnose the computer in front of you. We will show you what exactly the problem is.
Okay.
Okay? And we will try to resolve it. Okay?
Okay.
And sir, first of all, you can note it down my Microsoft ID number. It's 1090.
Okay.
And sir, now let me know it's a laptop or a desktop.
It's a desktop.
Okay, and what is the make of your desktop?
It's a Windows 10.
Okay. And sir, look at your keyboard now. At your keyboard, at the very
Okay.
left bottom corner of the keyboard, do you see a Windows key, a key with four squares?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay. You have to press that Windows key along with the letter R, R as in Roger. Press both the keys at the same time and release them.
Okay.
And after doing that, sir, on your screen, at the left side, you will get a small run box.
You got to give it a second. It's running a little bit slow. Okay. Yeah, I got a
And
run
so, did
box.
you get?
Yeah, I got the
Okay.
run box.
And so, in that box, I'm giving you a website you have to enter in. Okay.
Okay.
The website is www dot
www dot.
after dot type G like Germany,
Okay. G.
then type E like Edward,
Okay.
then type E like Edward again,
Okay.
then type K like Kevin,
Okay.
then type S like Sam,
Okay.
then type A like Apple,
Okay.
then type P like Pennsylvania,
Okay.
then type P like Pennsylvania again,
Okay.
then put a dot,
Okay.
then type M like Michael,
Okay.
then type E like Edward.
Okay.
And sir, now click OK in that box. There will be an option OK. Click OK now.
Okay.
And just let me know what's opened up on the screen next.
Okay. It went to a website called Geeks Help. Okay. And it says Geeks Help
And
Support Connection. Download Windows Setup or download Mac OS file.
okay, currently now, sir, you are using a Windows 10, so you need to click on Download Windows Setup.
Okay. I'll do that.
Sure, sir.
Okay, it came up saying run, save, and cancel.
Click on run, sir.
Okay, I did.
And just let me know, sir, what's open up on the screen next.
Okay, I can do that.
Sure, sir. And sir, what's exactly happening on the screen?
Well, the software is up. It's ready to go. It's asking me if I want to create a desktop shortcut.
Yes,
Then,
sir. Create a
okay,
desktop shortcut and then click on next.
okay, I did that. And then click on the
And sir, after
install.
yes, sir.
Okay, that's what it's doing. It's installing right now.
Okay.
Okay, it came up.
And sir, on your left side of the screen, do you see a small box that is asking for a pair key?
Yes.
And sir, I'm giving you a 7-digit number. You have to enter in that box, okay?
Okay.
The numbers are 795
Okay, 795
31
31
24.
24.
Yes, and then click on start session only once. And sir, did you click on start session?
Yeah.
Okay, now just wait for 1 minute.
Okay.
Just a minute now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now sir, I'm able to view a screen and let me just diagnose the problem for you, okay?
Okay.
And sir, you said that you use this computer for online transactions and online shopping, right?
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. Let me just try to verify it. What's the problem on it?
Okay.
Let me first check your. Okay. Okay, sir. Just look at your screen, sir. Do you see
Okay.
this Microsoft Corporation?
Right.
And you can see over here, stop, stop, stopped, again stopped, again stopped.
Why are they stopped?
Do you see this?
Yeah.
Sir, these all are the infections and the virus. The infection and the virus have disabled your Microsoft services. They have stopped your services and they are not currently running now. That's the main reason. And let me show you one other thing, sir.
Okay.
Let me open it up for you.
Okay.
And sir, do you see this CPU? 8%, 10%?
Yeah.
So this is the percentage of the CPU. That means the operating system, and it should always be stable at 20%. But right now it's completely fluctuating, as you can see.
Oh, okay. I
It's
never been here,
10%,
so
53%.
yeah.
Yes, and let me show you some other thing. That's the most uh, worry things. Do you see these two files that are running on the computer?
Yeah, I see that. What are they?
This is csrss.exe. This is the name of the file. Let's check on the Google. Google will give us the answer that what exactly this file is.
Oh, okay.
Because no one is more intelligent than Google, sir. Google will give you the exact answer that what exactly this file is and why it's running on your system.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute, okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay, now Google is here. Now let's check the name of the file. It's csrss.exe. Do you see this, sir? The second option, the Google is first option. Google is saying that is the Trojan, right?
Yeah.
Let's check what exactly this file is. Okay, sir. So this is the file that is running on your system, and this is the definition of this file. You can read this by yourself, sir. Just have a read on this.
Email access. Wow. Now, how do
Do you
we
have
get
get
rid of
any
this?
idea?
Yeah, I got an
So this is
idea.
the most. Yes, sir. And let me open up a notepad, sir. What exactly this file is and what is the solution to this? Okay.
Okay.
And sir, may I know like from which state you are calling?
Indiana.
I'm sorry.
Indiana.
Okay. First of all, sir, I will write it down my. This is my ID number. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And first of all, sir, we have to reactivate the Microsoft services on your computer that has been stopped right now.
Okay.
And then there will be a cleanup process in which we will install a cleaner software. Okay.
Okay.
That will remove the virus, that will remove the Trojan, and it
Okay.
will remove csrss.exe files permanently from your computer. Okay.
Okay.
And after that there will be a complete optimization on your computer. And sir, the most important thing that is more concerning is Microsoft firewall security. But because what happens, sir, your computer is under the impact of the unauthorized access, so it will first of all block unauthorized users. Okay.
Okay.
So that it will protect your email, it will also protect your banking information, it will protect your personal data that you install on this computer, like your images, music, anything like that. Okay.
Okay.
And so with this software, with this security, there will be other software, that is the last software that we'll be installing is the do you understand, sir, what is encryption?
No, I don't. I'm not that smart with computers.
Okay, let me tell you, sir. Let's give an example, sir. Like, suppose you are logged into your banking account on this computer. Okay.
Okay.
And suppose let's take an example that your password for the banking account is 123456789. Okay.
Okay.
If this encryption software is running on your computer, then your password will be visible in this form.
Oh, okay.
But right now, what happens, sir? This encryption software is not there, and your password will be visible exactly the same. Anyone can track down your personal information through your passwords.
Holy shit.
So this is the encryption software that we will be installing, so that all of your email, banking information, personal information, your messages, everything will be in encrypting form.
Oh, okay. That sounds great.
Answer, yes, sir. Answer, this securities and all the softwares will be applicable to all of your devices. It means to your present devices, and if you have any plan to buy a new device, that will be completely covered.
Oh, okay.
And sir, one thing more, what you are getting with this security is the other thing is that free technical support. That is 24 by 7, 365 days a year. Okay.
Okay.
That means you can avail our any kind of services, any assistance you need.
Okay.
You can call us any point of time.
Oh, okay.
And now, sir, for this securities and the encrypting software, there is a license that is generated under your name. That is basically called the main purpose of the license is that, sir, it will be generated under your name so that these securities will only
Okay.
be used by you, so that no other can
Hello?
get tracked on your securities. Okay, sir, are you there?
Hello?
Sir, can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Hey, I can't hear you.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Can't hear you. Freeze the dumbass. I can't hear him.
I'm sorry.
Hello? Hello?
Sir, can you hear me?
Hello? Well, that's usually how it goes with these scammers. They try to get you into paying for a service you don't need. Um, they actually what they do is someone over there higher up I would think that makes these pop-ups, and what these pop-ups are is to scare you into calling them. And when you call them, they will sometimes uh, um, tell you that you have a problem on your computer that you really don't have a problem. Okay? They usually open up command prompt and run the tree command and do that, which this guy did not do that. But what he did is he told me that I have Trojans and other things wrong with my computer. And hackers, which he didn't say hackers, but people could see my password, which is false. They can't see it. Okay, the pop up, all it is to scare you into paying for something that you don't need. This is a clean virtual machine, and I wanted to tell him that and see if he would have got pissed off. Because sometimes when you say it's a clean virtual machine, or they find out it's a virtual machine, sometimes they get pissed off. A lot of time they'll get pissed off, I should say. Um, I didn't have a chance to do that, so things happen. My headphones took they went dead, and when it went dead, the audio poofed, and that's why this happened. He didn't do anything to my computer other than bring up Notepad and tell me what he was going to do, which you could see in the video. And I appreciate you watching this video. If you would, hit the like button and share this video so you can let your loved ones know what these scammers do when they do get on your computer. I mean, it's probably the same thing when they call you. They want remote access to your computer, and then they'll give you some bogus stuff that's wrong with your computer. Um, never, ever pick up the phone if the number doesn't seem a legit number. Microsoft will never call you. That's for a fact. When these pop-ups come up, they come up only if you. A lot of times they'll come up when you misspell a word, like Google, YouTube, Facebook, things like that. That's when these pop-ups come up. Usually the pop-ups don't come up right away. The URL will give you a bunch of advertisements. And when you start clicking on those advertisements or re-put in the URL that you went to get the advertisements, then sometimes that Microsoft or that pop-up, whatever it is, will pop up on your screen telling you to call them. So please do not call them, because I don't want to hear that you're a victim. I'm trying to stop this. I call these people on a daily basis, not just this number. It's on every pop-up that I get. I hope that we can try to put an end to a lot of this so you don't get scammed. You guys work hard for your money, and I don't want to see them take it from you. Okay? Thank you very much for watching the video.